What is up, homies? Welcome back to the channel. So check it, I got a quick tip for you guys today. It's gonna be quick, okay? So this is I don't know what year it is, but it's a Hyundai Santa Fe V6. It has oil leak. There's an oil leak that the customers complain about, and we just did valve covers on this. Not me, but we did in the shop. So they had the car running here for a while. It's been running for a good 10-15 minutes, and they don't see the oil leaking. So I want to show you under the car and show you how it's covered in oil, and then I want to show you how to find this leak. Quick tip for you guys. Okay, let's go. All right, you can see this right here. It's all covered in oil. You can see all this covered in oil right here, and you can see where it's dripping. That right there, it's fresh engine oil. Not so fresh, not clean, but it's coming out right here. All right, so I know that my leak is somewhere on the front of the vehicle. Back here, a little bit wet, a little bit moist, but that's because we have other leaks. Focus. You can see right here, look up in there, we have an axle that's leaking. You can see all of that right there. But if you look at the valve cover, which we did, it's pretty dry up there. I don't know how well you can see that. Where the valve cover meets the head up there, it's dry. And right now, as I have the car running here, it's not dripping, but you can see all this shit right here. It's all wet. So let me bring the car back down, and I'll show you guys where it's leaking from and how to find this leak. All right, now I already looked at this. I already took a look under the manifold at the valve cover, and there's no leak over there. My leak is actually right here on this front valve cover, but right now with the car running, you can't see it. My leak is actually right there in the center of your screen. That shiny part that you see right there, I'm gonna set you guys down and I'm gonna go turn off the car, and I want you to keep an eye right there, okay? So let me leave you guys, I'm gonna leave you right there. Okay, I think that works. Okay, and I'm gonna go turn off the car real quick. Look at that. As soon as I turned off the car, you can see the oil leaking out of there. So that's fresh, clean oil leaking out. You can clearly see the oil leaking out of there. Fresh, clean oil. This valve cover needs to come off. The gasket needs to be resealed. So there it is. Valve cover gasket leaking, and we just did them. There it is, homies. Quick tip for you guys today. If you have an oil leak that you can't find, do it with the car running, do it with the car off, because when you have the car running, you're gonna have differences in pressure, you're gonna have differences in vacuum. That's not gonna allow you to find the oil leak with the car running. So keep it with the car running. Sometimes you'll find a leak with the car running. Look around, you'll find it. If you don't, go ahead and turn it off. Look around, and trust me, you're gonna find it. So that's it, homies. That's it. I'm gonna get to work on this valve cover. I'm gonna fix the leak. If you guys want to see more automotive stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. All right, check it out. I don't know why, but I found this. Valve cover gasket is torn right here, but where we had the leak was right around here. Right here where my fingers are at. That's where the oil leak was. That's where the oil was coming out from. So I don't know if we can put some silicone there or something, but I gotta get a new gasket for this. And also, I don't know if you guys saw this in the time lapse, but this ignition coil is covered in oil. So I gotta see if one of the grommets, what's going on there. I gotta see what's up with that grommet or whatnot. And then yeah, but there's no doubt this gasket was replaced. It's rubbery, you can tell. If it wasn't replaced, this thing would be all brittle and hard. But yeah, it's a brand new gasket. I gotta get another one. and then we'll take it from there. So let's just wait for the new part to get here. We'll put it back on, and then we'll double check our leaks. It's gonna replace one side, which is the side that's leaking, because we already did the other side. Now all I'm gonna do is just add a little silicone on the corners, right here on these four, and then on these four on this side. Now I don't know why it was leaking where it was leaking, but just to be safe, I'm gonna put a little silicone there too, just to be safe. So let me go put this back on the car, and then we'll double check it after we're done. All right, check it out, all done here with the valve cover. Boom, that's what it looks like. And look closely where I put a little bit of silicone where that oil leak was. Right now the car's not running. My light died, so I gotta show you. Let me see. You can see that right there. I'll get a good picture, but I don't want to glare you too much. Anyways, it's right there in the center of your screen. I'm gonna start it up, and then I'm gonna shut it off, and then I'm gonna double check for leaks, make sure we don't have any other leaks, and then I'm gonna call this one a fix, and it's gonna be good to go. So let's go inside and start it up. Okay, here we go. Starts up. Now let's go back under the hood and check. All right, you can see right here, I got a light right there, so I'm gonna set you guys right there. I'm gonna go turn off the car, and I'm gonna keep an eye right there to see if it leaks like it did earlier. Sorry about that vibration, but it'll go away right now that I turn the car off. So let me leave you here for a little bit. All right, you can see right there, no more leaks. Oil leak is fixed. Quick and easy check, quick and easy fix. One valve cover replaced. Gotta make sure everything's good. So let me just go on a quick test drive, and we'll call this one a fix right here, homies.